27, 2026. I got a call from a guy that goes check his air conditioning. I was over there a couple of months ago and replaced a toilet for him. Got an older R22 set up there, and I guess the last guy was using didn't have any more R22 and trying to sell him a new system, and he said he only needs like a pound or something, less than a pound, in a couple of years. So, I mean, it's not worth changing the system for that. We'll check it out when I get over there. Run it and see what's going on with it. I got 22. Let's sell them some 22. Some shots over there. I have to hit it with the garden hose on the way out, but definitely an R22 3/4. He's gonna turn it on. We're gonna check it. Old brown turd. It's like piss over here. Somebody's been pissing. It's a little bit low. $42.54 on the superheat. It's gonna need a little stop leak.
Yeah. Is that something you recommend?
No. I mean, you got an older system here.
I'll say. When it's full of Freon, it works fine. It's just the same slow leak every year forever.
Let's see if we can give it a little juice here. We're at what, 40? Definitely low. We'll give it a little, how you doing? R22. I mean, the thing's probably 30 years old, right? Or 25.
Yeah.
So you're right at its limit.
Yeah.
So it's like a little old lady in a nursing home. You want to do a boob job on her, right?
We can, yeah.
Yeah. She'll be a big hit there in a nursing home.
Yep.
Gets to the point where it gets really low, then you can't do it.
Yeah, it hasn't happened yet.
Alright, we'll see where we're at here. I'm gonna give it some more. Give it some more. Smells like piss over here. Somebody's been pissing. Probably the deck guys.
Possible. Oh,
Yeah.
The animals that run around here are ridiculous.
Really?
Oh yeah. There's deer, groundhog, rabbits, cats, turkeys.
Wow. Let's see where we're at here now. I'll bring that superheat down. 67 on the suction, 12 on the superheat, 22 on the subcooling. I'm going to hit the coil on the way out. That's going to be pretty good right there. We'll stick with that right there. R22. Ain't bad. Nice caps on there. so I give it a good how you doing with the hose. JB caps. That's it.